Good morning, students. How are you all? As we all know, that whole world is going through very tough time. But because of this, we can't distance ourselves from studies. So our school decided to teach you through online classes. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning. Myself, Anjali Panjwani, I'm your English teacher. Today I'm going to introduce you with English books. We have two books in English. One is our English reader and another one is our English grammar. We will be starting with our English reader. Everyone, please check out page number 7. Let's start with chapter number 1. The best childhood gift. So, in this chapter you are going to learn about the story of a young boy, Raman, as well as you are going to learn about underprivileged children. Before starting the story, I would like to tell you who are underprivileged children. Many children like you all who are not privileged to go to school. Privilege means having an advantage to do something. Means बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं पुअर पीपल्स, जैसे जो विलेजेस में रहते हैं, जिनके पास बहुत सारे मनी नहीं है कि वो अपने बच्चों को एक इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में भेज पाएँ या न्यू क्लोथ्स दिला पाएँ या टॉयज़ दिला पाएँ. एंड मैनी इवन डोंट हैव द फूड टू ईट. मैनी टाइम्स दे हैव टू स्लीप एम्प्टी स्टमक. मीन्स बहुत सारे ऐसे भी लोग हैं जिनके पास फूड भी नहीं है खाने के लिए, उनको कभी कभी भूखा सोना पड़ता है. बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं. And those types of children are known as underprivileged children. So you all understand who all are underprivileged children? Now we are going to start the story. This story is about an 11-year boy named Raman. Let's read. Once there lived an 11-year-old boy named Raman. He was the only child of his parents. His father worked as a primary school teacher and his mother was a housewife. Although Raman's family wasn't rich, they led a happy life. एक 11 ईयर का बॉय था, उसका नेम क्या था? रमन. एंड ही वॉज द ओनली चाइल्ड ऑफ हिज पेरेंट्स. उसके कोई भी ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर नहीं थी, वो ओनली चाइल्ड था अपने पेरेंट्स का. एंड his father was a primary school teacher. He used to teach in a school to primary students. वो प्राइमरी स्कूल के टीचर थे उसके पापा. Although Raman's family wasn't rich, रमन की फैमिली बहुत रिच नहीं थी, बट वो लोग बहुत हैप्पीली रहते थे. Raman's school was about a kilometer away from his home. Raman had to walk the distance every day. It was long and tiring for Raman, but he never complained. Sometimes he chatted with the vendors on his way. Sometimes he chased the calves, and at other times he enjoyed the. रमन स्कूल कैसे जाता था? रमन पैदल चल के स्कूल जाता था. एंड his school was how much far from his home? A kilometer far. It was very much tiring. वो बहुत थक जाता था, मगर वो कभी अपने मम्मी पापा से कंप्लेन नहीं करता था that I get tired when I go to school. And when he goes from home to school, how he used to pass his time? He used to chat. He used to talk with the vendors. Who are vendors? Vendors are the persons who sells goods on a roadside. roadside में शॉप्स होती है ना, सबके घर के पास होती हैं. आप लोग भी जब घर से स्कूल आते होंगे तो बहुत सारी शॉप्स दिखती होंगी. Those shopkeepers are known as vendors on his way. Sometimes he used to chase the calves. कभी कभी वो क्या करता था? calves के साथ खेलने बैठ जाता था. उनके साथ आगे पीछे से खेलते ना, अपन दौड़ते हैं, ऐसे करता था. एंड अदर टाइम्स ही यूज्ड टू एंजॉय द ब्रीज. कभी कभी जब ठंडी ठंडी हवा चलती थी तो वो अकेले चलते जाता था और उस ब्रीज को एंजॉय करता था. एट द वीकेंड बिफोर हिज बर्थडे he requested his father to buy him a bicycle. He said that it would not only save his time to go to school but also help him run errands for his mothers. अब उसका बर्थडे था नेक्स्ट वीकेंड पे, सो ही डिमांडेड फॉर अ बाइसिकल फ्रॉम हिज फादर. आप सब लोग का भी जब बर्थडे होता है तो आप लोग मामा पापा से डिमांड करते हो ना कि हमें ये गिफ्ट चाहिए, हमें वो चाहिए. डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ डिमांड्स यू डू टू योर पेरेंट्स, isn't it? Like this, Raman asked his father to buy him a bicycle. So, what he said to his father? That it will save my time and I will able to help my mother in doing household works. So, उसने क्या बोला अपने पापा से कि मेरा टाइम भी बचेगा इससे और मैं मम्मा की भी हेल्प कर पाऊँगा इन डूइंग हिज वर्क. सो errands, here errands means doing short works, means छोटे छोटे काम होते हैं ना, short and quick works. वो जैसे मम्मा बोलती हैं कि बाहर शॉपकीपर से जाके बेसन ले आओ, दाल ले आओ, दही ले आओ, दूध ले आओ. These types of work will be done fastly with the help of bicycle. Now, please turn your page. I will definitely try and get one for you, his father promised. Raman felt so happy that he told all his friends about the gift he was about to get. Each of his friends fixed up days on which they would ride with Raman. So, now Raman's father promised Raman to get him a bicycle. रमन के पापा ने उसे प्रॉमिस किया कि वो उसको बाइसिकल गिफ्ट करेंगे ऑन हिज बर्थडे. सो रमन वॉज वेरी मच हैप्पी एंड ही ran to his friends and told to his friends that he is going to get a bicycle on his birthday. And उसके फ्रेंड्स ने क्या बोला, उसके फ्रेंड्स ने फिक्स कर लिए डेज की हम इस दिन राइड करेंगे रमन के साथ और हम इस दिन राइड करेंगे. दे ऑल फिक्स्ड अप ऑल दिस थिंग्स. नाउ हिज बर्थडे फाइनली अराइव्ड. व्हेन ही वोक अप he found his mother and father standing next to his bed. He saw a beautiful gift wrapped nicely in his father's hand. Now finally the day arrived. Which day? It was Raman's birthday. अब उसका बर्थडे आ गया और उसने उठते से क्या देखा, उसके मम्मी पापा सामने खड़े हुए हैं और उसके पापा के हाथ में एक गिफ्ट था. बट साइकिल तो उस गिफ्ट में नहीं आ सकती. साइकिल को हम ऐसे रैप करके नहीं उठा सकते, है ना. सो व्हाट वाज देयर इन द गिफ्ट?